Okay, so I'm going to use this PERMATEX windshield repair today, show you guys how to use it. As you can see, my windshield, it has a hole in it. It says it repairs chips, helps prevent further cracking. So it should make this brand new. So we'll figure this out together here. Okay, so step one is to use this alcohol prep pad to clean the area. Just around it all nice. Just around its hole. Just like that. Okay, then it wants us to take this part off the back of this part here. Put it over the hole. Center it over the part you're trying to fill up. Like that. Then pull this off, like that. Then you take this part and you make sure it's centered over top of the hole, like so. Then it says to use about 75% of this resin. Uh-oh, that's not good. It came out faster than I thought it would. I swear this never happens. It says use 75% of this. Make a little mess, not a big deal. I can already see the resin filling up the cracks on that side. Okay, so next step is to put this in here and create negative pressure until it's holding on to that top indent, the last indent here. Just like that. Okay, now it says we have to wait 10 minutes before the next step. While we're waiting the 10 minutes there, just gonna inflate all the tires. They're all a bit low. Sat a while. Okay, so now it's been 10 minutes. The next step is to pull this off. And then with it still locked in the lower position, insert it again, make sure it's tight, and then unlock it from the lower position and push down until you get to here. Oh, hold on a sec. Get over here. Until it's locked in the top position. Okay, so I pushed a little bit of air down there. It's locked in the top position. Now we have to wait 20 minutes. Okay, next step. Now it's been 20 minutes. Pull this off. I'm going to use this razor blade to get this off the windshield. Okay, after you clear that away, next step is to put some droplets in here. Fill that up. Now just make sure with the razor blade that all stays in there. Now it has to sit for half an hour. Yeah, so that fixed the windshield. That's basically a new windshield in a bottle right there. That saved me at least $200. I fixed it. See, brand new.